Hey everybody, it's Guy in the Orange Hat. At Christmas time, trains have always been pretty important to me. I don't have room for a big layout. Definitely don't have room for anything permanent that could stay up year round. But at Christmas time, we've always made it a point to put up some model trains. As a little kid, always did that with Dad. And as an adult, that's a tradition that I've carried on. So I've got a little layout set up underneath my tree that I thought I would share with you guys. And to make this a little fun, I've got a lot more stuff, more than I could ever dream of putting out. So if there's a train that you would like to see, a special engine that you really like, a road name that you really like, drop it in the comments. And if it's something that I have here at the house, I'll set it up under the tree and I'll make a video just for you. So if there's a train that you want to see running around my tree, drop it in the comments, let me know, and I'll see what I can come up with for you. And if you have any questions about what I have running, stick around at the end of the video. I'm going to have pictures of all of the pieces that I've got out here and a little description of what each one is. And if you have any more questions, as always, drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer you. I hope you enjoy it.